What's up, everybody? I am going to take you on a tour of Box Canyon Falls in Ouray, Colorado. Now, as you can see, you need to have helmet and crampons because this is where everyone ice climbs. So these are the stairs down. I'm pretty sure-footed. This is off the $1 Million Highway from Durango in Silverton, and I'm going to Rattlesnake Canyon, so I wanted to show you guys this. I probably shouldn't be down here, but you can see in the fall how beautiful it is. This is some kind of utility pipe, but this is the world famous area that people ice climb. One of the most popular ice climbing place in the United States. As you can see, it's pretty precarious. There's some other stairs. It looks like restricted area. Well, what's the point of living if you can't explore? Yeah, check that out, how beautiful that is. Yeah, this is, well, there's a rope. I mean, that helps. I have done some ice climbing before. It's been a while. It's a great workout. Yeah, this is pretty tricky. One slip and go sliding. And this is where they do it. Colorado minus Denver, minus Colorado Springs, just as a Disney World for really cool stuff if you love the outdoors. And it gets packed during the summer. Now, where are the actual falls? I don't think there's enough water for them. So as you can see, this is just stunning. But the water's low, so we're able to only see the stream. Go back up. So everybody, if you want to go on a fantastic trip, Silverton, Durango, Ouray, Colorado, don't go in the summer. Wait till after September. It's beautiful and stunning here.